Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin holders are once again seeing profit as we have signs that this cycle could be similar to pre-2015 massive parabolic rally. Where we could be headed, stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including after today's massive green candle, how Bitcoin could be headed towards much higher highs. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove, push that like button. Now today, Fear and Greed 56, up a little bit from yesterday, but down from last week and last month. The overall market, though, up 5% today. Bitcoin at 28,985, Ethereum at 1915, BNB at 338, XRP 47 cents, Cardano 40 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, Polygon $1.03, and Solana 22.46. And the top coins today, based on AI, would be Zilliqa, Anchor Network, Cosmos Hub, 1inch, and Volt Inu. And if you want to check out token for yourself, use AI like ChatGPT, but specifically for crypto, there is a free trial down in the description and other links down there to help support the channel. Now, Bitcoin today bouncing off of the 50-day moving average like we were talking about in the video the past couple days, hoping to find support at those levels. We bounced back up there and found some resistance at this previous band of support right here back in early April. Well, that could be resistance. We might break through there. We'll have to see where Bitcoin actually ends up over the next few days. But the good news is it appears as the Bitcoin market is shifting from a prolonged regime of realized losses into profitability. Now, if we take a look historically when this happened, this was the very beginning of massive bull runs when we saw this flip. So this could be very, very good news for Bitcoin. We are seeing a little bit of resistance, and it should be no surprise that Bitcoin is running into resistance here at the blue band, as it has 5 times previously in the past 2 cycles. You can see all of these blue arrows down here, a temporary roadblock. Watch this indicator call the last April 2021 top in real time. The current price of the upper red band, $106,000. So that is very, very interesting. There still is at least a 4, maybe 3x to go from here, at least. Bitcoin right now becoming very correlated with gold. As it's losing its correlation with stocks, it is becoming more correlated with gold. Will continue to get stronger as rates stay elevated and weak banks get purged. Even on a 9-day rolling correlation, we're at 3-year highs of 86% correlation with gold, and we all know where gold is headed, up. Now, Bitcoin Gaussian channel, the upper band we saw right here, has acted as resistance on the 1-week charts. This pattern happened right before the massive bull run. So should this support stand and we actually break above the Gaussian channel, this could be massive bull run territory for Bitcoin. Also, expanding triangle bottoms. We see similar to what happened in the 2013 and 2015 bear market. We had expanding triangle bottom, breakout from there, find support above, and then launching into parabolic territory. That could be where we are headed, about to launch. Right now, Bitcoin is comparing also with 2019. So there's a lot of different parallels with previous markets towards the bottom, the beginning of the recovery phase. We can see here, 2 days later, Bitcoin bounced exactly on the trend line right here. Similars to 2019 are incredible. If this continues, the next move might be speechless. You can see support on this trend line, broke through to the bottom, found above, retested, and then took off. Well, a lot of support here, broke through the bottom, retested that line, found support there. The next line could be a massive run for Bitcoin. Is it any surprise? I mean, Bitcoin is pretty consistent. 4-year cycles, 13-bar bear markets. The bear market appears to be over for Bitcoin. Right now, if we see here, back to the 2015 levels of long-term holder supply as percentage of the total supply, we haven't seen this for as long as I've been in Bitcoin. So since 2014, 2015, we have not seen levels this high. Now, the last time we saw levels this high, Bitcoin price went from $200 to $20,000. If Bitcoin were to do the same thing, big if, but if it was, that would be a $3 million Bitcoin. So how about something a little bit more realistic, because I know that's kind of out there. Well, cycle comparison and possible long-term scenario. We can see very similar to 2017 to 2020, where we had the cycle peak. We had a few hundred days here, broke through the bottom, 180 days at the bottom, 132 plus however many it'll take us to get back to that level. But should we see a similar gain afterwards, this could put us in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. $200,000 would not be unrealistic for Bitcoin over the next year or so. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. I love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.